Now we're going to shoot a Roman candle. This particular Roman candle, if we read the instructions, tells us that we can hold it in our hands. Now understand, 90% of the Roman candles, other than California candles and so forth, you cannot hold in your hands. The instructions are very important to read. This candle tells us that we can hold it in our hands. Okay, and remember, not all Roman candles you can do this. This is from the Safe and Sane from Brothers. This item, all the Roman candles that are like this that you can hold in your hands, hold them like this. Hold the bottom away from your body. Take the fuse. We've checked all the areas, and we're going to hold it just like this. You can safely hold this item in your hand, but again, keep it at an arm's length away from your body for your safety to enjoy. We want to remind you again that not all Roman candles you can do this. Most Roman candles you have to place in the ground or in a metal pipe or the big tube that we shot from earlier. Now remember, you're holding an item which is just like a sparkler. It's very hot and can burn. So as it starts to go out, you will need to lay it down on the ground and leave it alone. Lay the item down and walk away, and it will safely go out.